Welcome back to our guide on using the akYtec cloud. In this video, we will talk about the process of managing user access rights, managing user profile, and about company administration. This will allow you to control which users have access to different system functions and customer companies. Let's get started. First, let's talk about adding and configuring user rights. To add or configure user rights, first go to the Administration section. Open the Users tab. To create a new user, click on the Add button. A new window will appear. Here, type in the information of the new user. Mandatory fields are surname, name, email, and password. Once all the information is entered, click the Add button to create new user. Once a new user is created, it inherits all the access rights. To edit those rights, click on the Manage Access Rights button. Here you are able to choose what rights will new user have and to which categories he will have access. To get more information about user access rights, go and check out our user guide. Now about configuring user profile. Once a user account is created, that user can edit its profile data. To do that, click on Edit button. Here you are able to change all the basic data except for the email address. Additionally, here you can choose whether a parameter code should be displayed in the parameters tables, graphs, and event reports. For the end, let's talk about customer companies. To add a customer company, go to the Administration section and open the Customer Companies tab. Click on the Add button to open a window titled Add a new customer company. Fill in the required details including country, surname, name, email, password, password confirmation, and company or group name. You can also add optional details like phone and Skype. Once all the information is entered, click the Add button to complete the process. It is possible to configure user access rights for customer companies. Open the Customer Company Access tab and go to Users section. Here, for each user of the customer company, assign access rights based on the level of access required. At the end, click the Save button to apply the changes. That's it for this episode. By following these steps, you can effectively manage user access rights in akYtec Cloud. This will help you maintain control over system access and ensure security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next one in the series. Thanks for watching and see you next time.